Good morning, guys. I'm gonna head into Dollar Tree. We're gonna do a little shop with me in the store. And let's see what we can't find today. Okay, I actually really love these little lemon cups, but I just don't need any more mugs right now. I think this with the blue is actually really pretty. Look at these mugs. Okay, those are gorgeous. We have some glassware too. Chargers. Okay, you know, wait, what are these? Look how cute they are. Some more of those. Oh, that doesn't sound good. I'm gonna get that for the junk journaling because you know how I am. Wait, what's this? Fruity Pebbles? That's cute. I love how vibrant it is, so I'm gonna use that too. Okay. God. I've already hauled those. These are cute. Look at that. Are these like little dinosaurs? And these are like sharks. That's actually, I like that. That's cute. Some good traditional, not traditional, but you know what I mean. To me, traditional would be, I mean, I guess this is, I don't even know what I'm saying. Ooh, they're doing the little clear ones now. These are the originals back here, but these, they're like super large Easter eggs. They're cute. I really have not wanted to do any sort of like Easter decorating this year. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Gorgeous. You're gonna get these. Here's a set by Global Beauty Care. Let's see. That was like completely open. This is body wash. That is a body scrub, and those are bath salts. Make sure it's tight. I love Global Beauty Care. Oh my gosh, look at the cute little cherry patches. These are cute. I'm gonna get that too. Okay, I wanted some like just regular clips so I can put it in my hair when I'm wearing a hat. So I went with this black one. And I think this one's really cute too with the pearls. So I don't have enough like basic colors, I guess. I need some like black clips, white, brown, so that I can actually clip my hair up with a hat, because I saw this girl do a hat hairstyle like that, and I was like, oh, that's cute. Instead of like, you know, doing a bun or putting my hair in a ponytail with a hat, I can just like clip it up. So those were the only like neutral ones that I found today, but I'm gonna be on the hunt for more. Okay, let's go this way. I have to do it, so just look the other way, okay? Don't look the other way while I add this to my cart. And you know what? I think I'm out of these too. I can't stay away from this section. I don't know why. I love these. Haven't found those in a while, so we're gonna get those. These little trays because I'm gonna start like using them for my Etsy shop when I'm packing orders. That way I can kind of like put everything I need into the tray and it doesn't like float around. I already have two. two pink ones, so that's 2 more, so that's 4 total. Okay, this looks cute. Little dinosaur ones. That's cute. Should I get that one? I feel like I should get that one. These are super cute and brand new. I've never seen them before. It is quick dry paint sticks. So these look promising, so I definitely feel like they're brand new. The little Easter baskets here are so adorable. I've hauled these 3 before. There's even like a little tie-dye one. They have the cutest little plushies too. Look at this. Tumbler spinner battery. So like if you want to do your own business, I've hauled those. So if you're not watching all my videos, those are really cute. They're $5 each. Look how sweet they are. Can somebody please explain the whole concept of fluorescent lighting and needing to go to the bathroom? Why is that a thing? Okay, this is in the bonus section, but I've never seen it before. It's a little table light for outside. I don't think it's solar. No, it's not like solar operated, but it does change colors. It's multicolored. For $3, I think that's great. Okay, wait, why is that cute? I just passed up on it. I definitely could break these down and use it for junk journaling, like cut around each little thing. Yeah, I think that's cute, so we're gonna get that. I didn't know they made solid colors of these. I feel like that's kind of new too. That's cute. You could also put these in junk journaling, I think. Oh, I love the apples. We definitely have to get the apples. I've gotten them before, but I'm gonna get another pack. Okay, I need these for the house. I have these plant topiary pots that I got from Home Goods, and they just blow over. I just need some weight, so I'm just gonna get like let's do 4 bags for each. Hopefully that works, but anyways, okay. I love this section. Ooh, my policeman. Okay, girl. Oh, that looks really cute. Oh, Alice in Wonderland. Oh, look. I love that one.
Marlene.
She's okay. Here's more little blind bags. I do not recommend these at all, but these little stamps are really cute. These are erasers. I don't really care for those either. Wait, they have Transformers. What? Oh, they're also erasers. I don't like it when they're erasers. I want them to be like more of a plastic. I'm going to a birthday party, so I need a gift bag. So I'm gonna get this navy one, and I should probably get some tissue paper as well. Cool. Oh, those aren't glittery, they just have glitter on them. I don't want anything with glitter. Is there anything just like, oh, this is a great one. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Okay, have gift cards. I feel like gift cards just started showing up at Dollar Tree maybe in the last like year or so. I don't know, feels like it, but that definitely seems new to me. Look at these little candies. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? These should be viral if they're not. That is so cute. Mac and cheese, Oscar Mayer, and pickles. We're getting that. Wait, what is this? Nerf candy? What? Okay, I've never seen this before. It's $1.25. I didn't even know they had junior caramels. You already know that my junk journaling eye caught this, because look at this packaging. It gives you a little window. You can use that for putting anything behind it. You could even turn this into like a shaker card if you wanted to. Okay, I have to get these. Plus it's Coastal Bay, which I've never seen them do this bubblegum before, so that is definitely brand new. Okay, what are these two? Carbonated lime natural spring water and lemon. What? We're gonna get these. That's crazy. I definitely have to try those, even though I don't actually like carbonated. This is some of the best water in terms of like, yeah, the pH is 8.4. If you're gonna do bottled water, this is my recommendation. I don't know about this one. Hawaiian volcanic water. Deep well water. Oh, that looks good actually. Oh, we've got some. I use these little boxes too for junk journaling. But I already have those stickers. Wait. No, I have that one. These look very vintage. I'm definitely gonna have to get these two. This one's a banana, and this one's a peach ring. Yep, getting that. Vanilla cream brulee. I'm actually gonna get this as a gift. Where do that? We're gonna get this one too, even though I've gotten those before. I wish Dollar Tree sold the little cereal boxes that are like tiny like this, the ones that you can do a pack at like Costco or Walmart. I keep looking, but they only have them in these bags. But look at this. That is cute for junk journaling. I know it's crazy because it's food, but I'll try to use it as Jell-O, but I love the packaging. Honestly, I haven't made Jell-O in a long time, so that could be fun. Wait, what? Wax paper with a plaid design. Are you kidding me? Oh, getting that. Gonna do gift card. Okay, I want these just for junk journaling. I need to chill out. Did you guys watch my other Dollar Tree haul where I talked about what happened to me in that house a few years ago where I didn't get my deposit back? If you didn't, go watch it. I'll link it down below. Alright, I forgot I need a birthday card, so I'm gonna do that. And that's gonna be it for, wait, back it on up. What's this? Oh, okay. I just saw those out of the corner of my eye. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for coming along with me. I'm gonna check out and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Okay, there's a little genie. That's so cute. That's cute too. Wait, what's this one? Aww. Now, why is he doing all that? Okay, I got everything in here except for the tissue paper. It wasn't ringing up, and he wasn't gonna like scan just another item. So I was just like, keep it. So I'm gonna find some tissue paper at home, but that's it. Bye.